She's back. She's settled back home and she is ready to provide you guys with your simple guide to fitness. So be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel to support your girly. And today's video is all about what I eat in a day. Anyways guys, so I've come back from LA. As you guys saw from the previous YouTube videos, we had the biggest campaign shoot slash pictures, whatever, in my entire life. The most important shoot to date of my entire life. So that is no exaggeration. Bit of a drama queen, but trust me. So, and then on top of that, loads of things happened personally. So now I'm back home, I'm settled, and I'm really ready to just focus on me and focus on my well-being mentally and physically, which I have been doing more of these past 3 months. But I feel really ready now. I feel more ready to just focus on me, which I'm really excited about. I also know it's November, and you know, it gets to like November, December time, I start getting a bit lazy. Don't lie to me, you start getting a bit lazy. All right, hun, don't worry. We don't need to lie to each other here. And people just kind of drift off fitness, but that is not the case. Look, fitness isn't a one-day hit wonder. It's not a 4-week intense challenge. It is not a season, it is a lifestyle. It is forever with you if you implement it and make it a healthy habit. So I'm gonna push you through the rest of the year. You are not waiting until January to start your fitness journey. You are starting it now if you haven't, and if you are already started it, then you are continuing it. Please don't give up. I know that it gets a bit, this time of the year, you know, a bit cold and all that shit, but we are not giving up. So I'm gonna take you through what I'm gonna eat in a day. It's gonna be super simple, really nutritional, the foods that I love. And as you guys already know, I don't deprive and restrict myself. I absolutely hate that. I can't think of anything worse. I like food, I like to eat, all right? And I'm not gonna restrict myself, but I'm gonna be mindful. So first up, breakfast. For breakfast, honestly, like super simple. You can even have this as a snack. On the go, I'm gonna toast 2 slices of brown toast with some whole crunchy peanut butter. This is super good peanut butter. Some strawberries and then a whole banana divided into 2 slices. Literally so quick, protein, fats, micronutrients and carbohydrates all in one. If you don't have time to cook up something super fancy, bish, bash, bosh, lovely stuff. Oh! Also, can we just appreciate the fact that I haven't done this yet? It's time to Cooking with Krissy. Okay. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna add on top of my toast is some honey. So I got this honey from Greece when I went to Athens. It's actually my auntie's honey. So I'm just gonna drizzle some on top. You don't have to use honey, you can use agave, nectar, whatever you fancy, or just have it the way it is now. But I love honey so much, so I'm just gonna drizzle a bit of this on top. Show mommy your boo. Show mommy your boo. Is your boo? Is your boo? Is your boo? Oh yes, strong girl. Oh, is your boo? Is your boo? Is your boo? Yes, it is. Goodbye. Right. So, if you're in the UK, you will know literally how dark it gets here. I think it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's so dark. I am going to make lunch now. It's super simple, super yummy and easy. It's gonna be my prawn wrap. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients. You don't have to use prawns, you can use chickpeas, beans. Cannellini beans are really nice with this wrap as well if you want a vegan or veggie option. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients. Oh my God, this is gonna take you 5 minutes to make, whip up. You can even wrap it up, take it to work. You can make 2. I'm actually gonna make 1 because I'm still a bit full from breakfast, but if I was hungrier, I would have 2. So I'm gonna cook that up right now. I'm gonna show you the ingredients now. So for your prawn wrap, you are gonna want 1 wrap or 2, depending on how hungry you are. Some prawns, these are uncooked raw prawns. I'm gonna cook them up with some garlic and olive oil. Some hummus for the base of the wrap. I'm gonna use about a tablespoon of hummus. Some spinach, a handful, as you can see here. Some cheddar cheese, but you can also use halloumi, grilled halloumi cheese, mozzarella, whatever you fancy. And then some cucumber as well. This is super easy to make, you guys, and then you can literally take it to work with you, wrap it up, and then you can have it on the go. All the meals I'm making today are very quick and very simple, but yet nutritional, and I would say balanced. So let's whip this up real quick. It ripped. Ah, no, it's a shit show. Guys, I thought I wrapped it up enough, but it's an absolute shit show. It's opened up. Oh. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Why is it opened up like that? It really doesn't matter because this tastes so good. Just don't make the mistake I made and literally put all your eggs in one basket. Just like calm down a bit. Went a bit crazy there. Way, little bit crazy. Woo! But it's actually so good. Give this a go. Okay, so final meal, I'm gonna make some dinner, and I'm gonna make something super simple and quick because I have so much work that I'm doing. I've literally been working non-stop and I went to the gym, so that's why I look like this. I actually look like a cat. But anyway, I'm gonna be making some salmon, some veggies, and guess what? Some rice. Bam, bam, bam. Super simple, super easy, super delicious. And then I'm gonna finish off with like a little dessert kind of snack thingy. And I'm gonna show you what I snack on throughout the day because I do have snacks. I love snacks. Me and snacks are best friends. We're gonna get married one day. Okay. So lately the snacks that I kind of have are, I love these Kind bars. They're maple glazed pecan and sea salt. These Kind bars are, I love them so much, so I have those. Or I'll have some rice crackers and I put some peanut butter on them, a banana, or if I fancy something savory, I actually put some tuna mayo with sweet corn on top. That's really nice. And a great pre-workout meal as well. Or I'll have like 2 Limp balls. I do have chocolate. I love chocolate. I'm not gonna not have chocolate. That's an absolute no-no. Like I have to have some sort of chocolate throughout my day. So yeah, now I'm gonna make dinner. And it's gonna be super wholesome, delicious, and I absolutely love, love, love cooking at home. It makes me feel so homely. I really hate takeout. I really hate eating out because I don't know what they're putting in my food. I love knowing what's going into my body, and you know, it makes me feel good, you know? So yeah, let's go cooking. Okay. Oh my God, I ran out of foil. What? So that was dinner, and as you guys saw, I cooked 2 salmon and I cooked quite a lot of rice and green beans. The reason being is because I actually meal prep for tomorrow, and it's just such a great way to get more food done, eat healthy tomorrow, know what I'm putting in my body, and also not waste my money. I absolutely hate wasting money on food, because when I look at my bank statements, I'm like, oh my God, did I really need to eat that much food out when I could have just made it at home? It would have been cheaper and most likely healthier. So I'm going to show you my meal prep for tomorrow actually. In here I have overnight oats. I'm going to put some protein powder in the morning and that will be ready to go. And then I've got my green beans, rice, salmon and some beetroot as well. And then here I've got, this is the Woman's Best hair vitamin, and then I take a multivitamin. And in here I've got 2 dried apricots and some nuts. And then I have some protein powder and a superfood powder by Women's Best as well. So that's kind of like what I have. Breakfast, lunch, snack, 2 snacks, and then dinner I'll cook when I get home. So I know exactly what I'm putting in my body, and I absolutely love meal prepping. It makes me feel really good and really ready to start my day right and week. Okay, I'm gonna eat my dinner and then I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I just showered, washed my face off, washed my hair, and the final thing I'm eating is actually a bowl of cereal, Cocoa Pops, and that is gonna be me done for the night. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me just put this down. Don't want to spill the Cocoa Pops, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. And thank you so much for subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. I love you always and forever. Bye.